Hey guys, it's Thursday night, November the 10th, and so if you weren't aware, I had a bit of a minor surgery on Monday afternoon, and I mean, it went well and everything, but you know, recovery from such things is no fun, and I'm certainly living that. But in the interest of pretending like I'm somewhat human, thought I'd come out to the shop, hang out for a bit. Not a long bit, a couple of minutes really, and in the meantime on Tuesday, talk about great timing, parts came for Wee Beastie to fix the P0420 code that's popped up, which is catalytic converter not running efficiently, and the stumbling. I just kind of suspect that it's got a miss somewhere, maybe a bad coil. The plugs are pretty new, but for what the plugs and coils cost, it's worth doing. So the box is right behind me. Let's take a look. I might even put these parts in tomorrow because it's pretty low impact, right? They're right on top. It's a pretty easy job. It won't take very long, but we'll see. They actually gave me a magnet. Woo, nice. That is a sweet old Dodge pickup. Way to go, Mark. Awesome truck. So we have oh my gosh, because I'm going to be in there, 4 new NGK ZFR5F-11 plugs. I've only got about 30,000 kilometers on these ones, but at Rock Auto they're like $2 and change a piece. It's like 11 bucks for the whole box, so crazy not to. And then I've got the WVE coil packs, and they are actually an NGK company. NGK sells these as well, but they're more money, so I figure these must be pretty much the same. In fact, the pictures on Rock Auto make it look like they take these and then they stamp NGK on the end of them. I mean, I don't know. That looks just as good as anything else. I'm sure that'll be just fine. So basically, undo the wiring harness. There's one T25 torque screw here. Zip, zip, zip. Plug out, plug in, bang. It's all right on top. It's a pretty easy job. So looking forward to getting that done, and hopefully that'll take care of the issue. I may have to drop some mysterious snake oil down the fuel tank to clear out the catalytic converter and whatnot, but we'll see. All right, I've decided to tackle this because I guess I'm crazy like that. But I've got everything preset here, and I'll show you just how easy this is. So first thing we do, pop off the cover, obviously. Done. Disconnect the wiring harness. So you pull the little red tab back. Come on. And then just unclip. And you really can't mess them up in terms of their order because they just wouldn't reach anyway if they were wrong. There we go. Get off of there. Doesn't look too bad. Cylinder's notably darker than the others. That could be our problem cylinder number 3. The reason I suspect maybe an ignition issue, a coil pack, is because you can have a slight misfire, which would explain the occasional stumbles I have, and not enough of a misfire to set a code necessarily, but enough to put, you know, some excess fuel into the catalytic converter, and over time that can cause that code to set. I noticed that Canadian Tire sells emissions system, you know, catalytic converter cleaner, and the reviews were pretty poor, but not one of the reviews mentioned doing anything to repair the underlying condition first. So it's not magic, people. It's not magic. But Canadian Tire does not vet their reviews, so you get non-mechanic people reviewing products they don't know how to use and blaming the product. Quarter. Good. The review for the ball joint separator, you know, pickle fork was pretty funny. Oh, it just bent the first time I tried to use it. It's not a pry bar. It's not a pry bar. Or reviews for 3/8" torque wrenches. Oh, it clicked before my wheel nuts were tight. Well, yeah, it's not for that. Just dumb. Not dumb, I guess. That's not fair, but, you know, uneducated. And if you can't review a product that you don't know how to use. So if this code does return, I'll be using some of that emission system cleaner. I can't remember who makes it, but get on there. Oh, that one's not cooperating. There we go. Oh, you guys with your big V8s, who's laughing now, huh? One thing about these engines, they've made them pretty easy to work on. Oop, wrong way. Gentle on me. Nice and gentle. They're not going to fall off. That's it. Job done. That took, what, 10 minutes? Well, it has to be said, haven't got a lot of miles on just yet. But with the new coils and plugs, this thing feels pretty nice and smooth, and seems to have a little more of its power back. So I suspect, as long as the check engine light stays off, I think might have it beat. So that's awesome news. Cheers.